What is up, guys? Tim with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today is going to be the start of my daily book giveaways on my YouTube channel. So this is Tools of Titans by Tim Ferriss. It's a great book. As you can see, it's pretty big. So, you know, there's a lot of knowledge and value in there. So I decided that I want to start doing book giveaways every single day on my YouTube channel. I'm not sure when I'm going to end it. I have a lot of business books that I've gotten already and I've read them. So I really don't have a use of just holding them here. So I figured I could give them out to you guys. Maybe just order some new ones or like drop ship them. So I get the address from you guys, whoever wins. And then, you know, I ship the book from Amazon to you. Sort of like drop shipping, but I'm not making any profit. But I'm glad to give away and help out those that support me. You know, these people that want to attain more knowledge, that's what it's all about. You're never going to know everything, so it's good to attain knowledge. So the way I've decided of how I'm going to pick the winners of the book giveaway is by looking through the comments. So I'm going to say whoever has the best comment on my upcoming videos, you know, every single day I'm going to upload a video and the best comment wins a book. So I'm going to be choosing every single day after 24 hours after the video has been uploaded. I will check a comment, see which one I like the most, and then I will pick them to be the winner of the book giveaway. So today's giveaway is Tools of Titans by Tim Ferriss. So can't wait to see your guys' comments and see who wins it, who has the best comment. Make sure to tune into the next video to see if you won the book. See you guys there. So now, into today's video, what am I going to be talking about? Today, I'm going to be talking a little bit about investments because today I bought something that is not a good investment. I wouldn't even consider it an investment. It was something for my car, a car modification. And you know, those things are nice. It's sort of like a thing you do for yourself that you've wanted and you like. It's a want, it's not a need. But it's also not an investment. It's not something that's gonna make me more money. So the thing is, I bought my car, that brand new Porsche that I bought about a month ago now, was not a bad investment. That was something good that I did for myself. But you know, from a speculative outlook, a lot of people will see that. They'll be like, wow, this kid is stupid. He made money and then he just spent it all on a car. No, I did not. I put a big down payment on there and then I financed the rest. Just because it's stupid to tie up a big amount of cash into an asset like that, that is essentially depreciating. I mean, the car itself is making me money, but the car itself is depreciating. It's losing money because it's a brand new car. I lost money right when I drove it out of the dealership. You know, as an entrepreneur, whether it's you, me, someone that makes $1 billion, someone that makes $1,000, it doesn't matter. If you're an entrepreneur and you make money by yourself, you know, then there's all these opportunities out there. And that's the thing. You have to look out for the opportunity cost of different things and different investments that you can make. So for me, I had a lot of options of this money. I have this chunk of change. What could I use it for to make me more money? And you know, a car is something that I'd wanted, but you know, one thing that I realized is that once you're an entrepreneur, you start making money, you know, you always have this goal. You want to buy a Lamborghini, you want to buy a Porsche, whatever it is, you know, you have this goal of buying this monetary thing. It's materialistic, but really, as an entrepreneur, depending on what industry you're in, you have to look out for different opportunities and see what can make you money and what can't. Because I saw an Instagram post recently that shows sort of how the middle class is separated from the rich. So I actually want to show you guys that post right now and just go over it real quick. Alright, so here it is. It says, why the rich get richer. So this is what it says. The middle class, they buy a car and it depreciates over time, so you're losing money. But the people that have a rich mindset, entrepreneurs, they invest into things that will make them money over time. Like as you can see, it says $60,000 cash, and then they invested at 10% over 8 years. So then over time, they're making money off of that cash that they tied into a certain investment. So as you saw right there, it says the middle class separated from the rich. The middle class, they buy things that depreciate, things that don't make them money. So I see that, you know, even in the lower class and the middle class, a lot of people buy expensive cars that they can't necessarily afford, but they're able to finance these cars and afford the payments. So you know, this car costs $60,000 like I did in the picture, but really, they don't even have that much cash in the bank. They don't have $10,000 in the bank, but they make enough, you know, to get by, and they can afford these payments monthly. And if they lose their job, then they're screwed. They can't afford the payments, their credit's gonna get messed up, and they're gonna lose the car. So the thing that separates the middle class and the rich, people that, you know, have goals and ambitions of making more and more money, they buy things that make them money. So this car that I bought, you may think that I bought it, you know, as a dumb decision, but really I bought it from a personal branding standpoint, also as an enjoyment thing. So it's something that I'm making money off of because I'm using it for personal branding, for content, for YouTube videos, for Instagram, credibility for myself as an entrepreneur. You know, I'm able to network with more people just because I have this cool car. I know it sounds weird, but it allows me to network and get to know these other people. Because it's sort of like a financial badge people see me in and they're like, oh, this kid has some money. So it creates both good things and bad things. The car is losing money, like I said, I have to pay for it. But the good thing is that I'm making money off of it. So I don't consider it a bad investment because I'm making money off of it. Anything that you can make money off of and you do make money off of is a good investment. So there's a lot of things out there. You know, like I said, when I was looking to buy this car, I also had to think of all these other opportunities out there that I could have taken. So one thing, as you saw in the title and thumbnail, real estate versus supercars. I don't know what you guys would decide. It also very depends on what industry you're in. So with me, from a personal branding side, I could make a lot of money off of having a Lambo. If I buy a Lambo, a Ferrari, whatever it is, a $400,000 car, I could make money off of it in the long run. But the thing with real estate is it's not going to be as flashy. It's not going to be, you know, as out there personal branding wise. But that is something I definitely want to get into this year. I'm going to buy my first property and start seeing how I can make money off of that, get into real estate a little bit, dip my toes into the water and see how it all works in that market, the real estate market, so I can learn the ins and outs and figure out how to make more and more money. So real estate, you know, that is something that I feel is very big when it comes to making passive income. Once entrepreneurs start to make a certain amount of money, they have this liquid cash that they're able to spend on things that can make them more money. Real estate, it can be very expensive dependent on what you're buying, whether it's a condo, a house, office property, it doesn't matter. They're going to cost a lot of money to buy that. And then you have to figure out how you can make money off of that, whether you're leasing it out, renting it out, or you just overall flip the house, whatever it is. You know, there's these different opportunities out there. And from a personal branding standpoint, you know, a supercar is going to be flashy, it's going to be cool, it's going to bring attention to me. But real estate, not as much. So for me, from a personal branding standpoint, the car was the right move for me for right now. I'm going to keep the car, I'm going to continue to do things with it and, you know, have fun. But I'm also going to look into other investment opportunities because as an entrepreneur, like I said, you can't just put all your money into one investment. You have to tie up money in a lot of investments that make you passive income. So like I said in the last video, you want to create multiple income streams so you always have money coming in. But you also want to put money into investments that make you money over time. So it's passive income that's continually coming in and making you money off of money that you put in. So you have capital, you put it into a certain amount. Let's say you put $10,000 and it brings you a big return every single month. So you're making, whether it's a few $100 a month, $1,000 a month, it doesn't matter. You know, you're making a return on it, you're making money, and in the long run, that money is going to pay off the initial investment and continue to make you profit. So always be on the lookout for different opportunities. If you have a lot of cash, make sure you're paying attention to what you're spending your money on, because if it's a big decision, a big financial decision, you know, take a look at it. Be like, is this going to make me money or is it not? So what the Instagram post said, what separates people in the middle class and the people that are wealthy is the things that they spend a lot of money on. So as an entrepreneur, if you want to continue to make more and more money, make sure you're tied up in good investments that continue to make you money and not make you lose money. If you're in an investment that's losing you money, get out of it or hold and wait and see what the markets are doing. You know, it's all very dependent on what you're invested in and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, just a little bit of an outlook on investment opportunities that are out there and just to give you guys a conscious mind on, you know, what you're spending your money on. So make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.